Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we've got an EQS. This is a 2023 model and also the SUV or the wagon. I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big oversized box and replace it with something like this. Let's get into it. So what we're going to do, the first thing is we're going to take everything off the car, plate and also the original box, so we can fit our new redesigned miniature plinth. So all you got to do is take off all the screws that you see, and the cover or the mounting box will just drop off the car. So the installation of our miniature plinth is really easy. There is a locator at the back which goes into that hole, so it can only go in one place, and the rest of the plinth just rests on this section of the bumper. So just all you gotta do, line up the hole, and it goes in one spot. Mark out the drilling points, put your screw in, and then we can move on to the bracket. I just realised that the card's black and my texter won't work, so I'll just put a bit of tape and use the pencil instead. So as you can see, we've got our miniature plinth on, which is a little bit smaller than the factory box. We try to make it as small as we can, so that way you don't see it from the sides, to give it that floating effect. Also, the way we design it, it doesn't collect water, and there's micro adjustments on here too. So now is on to part 2. You got to choose the correct bracket to suit your number plate style. So for example, if you have Euro plates, you grab Euro brackets. In this case, we're going to install Victorian slimline plates, matching brackets. All you got to do is pick a slot, align it with the micro adjustments, bolt it on, and then your plate can just go straight on following that. Got the plate on, last thing to do is to plug up one of the holes left behind from the mounting box. So we provide a little plug and a screw just to cover that up. There you have it. We've got rid of the massive factory mounting box and replaced it with our mounting system, which is a lot tidier. Just remember, you got to grab the correct plinth to suit the car and the correct bracket to suit your number plate style. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.